Hello everyone! Welcome to an exciting journey into the future. Technology is everywhere these days, seamlessly integrating into our daily lives. Even parenting is being reshaped by the power of artificial intelligence. It's amazing, right? The way we interact with our children is evolving. AI is changing how we raise our kids, from predicting what they might look like to helping them learn and grow in ways we never imagined. AI is like a guide for parents, offering advice and support at every step. It gives us new tools and insights to navigate the incredible journey of parenthood, making it more enriching and fulfilling. In this essay, we'll explore the exciting ways AI is shaping the future of parenting and how it can help us raise happy, healthy, and well-rounded children. From smart toys to educational apps, the possibilities are endless. Are you ready to take a peek into the future? Let's dive in and see what lies ahead. This is just the beginning of an incredible journey. The future holds so much promise. AI is opening up a world of possibilities for parents, offering unprecedented opportunities to support our children's development in innovative ways. Let's explore the magic of AI and parenting together. The adventure is just starting and the future looks bright. Have you ever wondered what your future children might look like? Now, imagine seeing a glimpse of your future child's adorable face even before they are born. That's what AI baby generators are making possible.
These fun apps use advanced technology to predict your baby's appearance based on your and your partner's photos. They use clever algorithms to analyze your facial features. They look at things like eye color, hair texture, and face shape. By combining these features, they generate an image of what your baby might look like. Of course, it's all for fun and entertainment.
While these apps are primarily for amusement, they provide a fascinating glimpse into how AI is being used in genetics and facial recognition. They also spark curiosity about the potential of AI to predict other aspects of our children's future. AI is not just about predicting appearances. It's also transforming how our children learn. Imagine a world where every child has a personalized tutor, available 24/7, adapting to their unique learning style. AI is making this a reality.
AI-powered educational apps and games are personalized to each child. They adjust the difficulty level based on the child's progress. This means your child gets the right amount of challenge and support, making learning fun and engaging.
But it doesn't stop there. AI is also helping children develop crucial life skills like empathy, resilience, and mindfulness.
AI is like a personalized learning companion, helping children thrive in all aspects of their development. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and impactful applications in education.
Section 4. Parent Tech. A brave new world of robot nannies.